Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have one of the most exciting unboxings of the year. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we're doing an unboxing. But yeah, if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, that I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. I have a box and you're gonna be able to tell what kind of unboxing this is from the title, but if you have been here for any period of time, if you have watched videos of mine, if you have been on my channel for any period of time, you will know how long I have wanted this item in this box right here. And I finally got it. I'm so excited that I finally got it. I will be completely honest, it's not a true unboxing. I literally couldn't wait. I was at work when this got delivered and I was like taking phone calls and stuff, and I ran out to grab it, came back in and immediately opened it while I was still working because I just could not wait. I needed it in my life right now. So I will be like recreating the ambiance for you, but yeah, let's just jump into it. I don't want to, keep you waiting. Here it is. Oh shit. Look, you can already tell probably who it's by. I got this little card right here. It is by Cartier. I'm just so excited. I did get this beautiful authenticity paper. Before I open everything up, leave it in the comments what you think I got. Honestly, again, if you've been on this channel at all, you probably know exactly what it is, but if you're new, hello, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think I got. Here it is. I'm gonna cover up the actual like serial number or whatever. There is the certificate that you get with every Cartier purchase, and it's got like the seal, like the stamp and everything, so it is legit. I did ask for gift wrapping as well when I ordered this. I ordered this online. I was not able to go to a store because I'm in Nashville and we don't have a Cartier store near us, unfortunately. I was able to try this piece on in New York when me and my husband went, so I did know what size to get and I did try it on. I was umming and ahhing about the metal that I wanted, if I wanted it in gold or rose gold, but I did of course make a decision. But I was able to order it online. It came in like 2 days. It was very quick. I got a beautiful bag. I didn't know that I was gonna get an actual shopping bag with this order. I'm not sure if you always get a shopping bag if you order online or if they gave me one because I asked for gift wrapping. I usually always ask for gift wrapping if I'm ordering something luxury because like I want the full-on luxury experience, you know what I mean? So I got a shopping bag, so excited about that. Oh, here is the pièce de résistance. Just imagine if this was actually like a birthday or like a Christmas present or a birthday present. And if it was like all wrapped up and stuff and then you unwrap it and this is what you see underneath. Oh my God, I would be beside myself. Let's open her up. Oh, there she is. And she was wrapped up in that, really thick white paper with the seal on it as well. I did already take that off, as you can see, but we have the beautiful, stunning Cartier box here. And then if we open it up like this, here is the box and it flips down just like that. And then let's just take a moment to appreciate how gorgeously beautiful the Cartier boxes are. So over the top, so extra, but do we love it? Absolutely. You press the button right here and it pops up. Oh, look, here it is. Absolutely no one is surprised. Are you joking? Oh my God, I am so in love with this. So, as you can tell, I did get the Cartier Juste un Clou ring, and I got her in yellow gold. I was really umming and ahhing about if I wanted to do the rose gold or the yellow gold. I have this Tiffany & Co ring, which is like the knot ring, and I have it in rose gold. So I was like, oh, and my wedding ring is also rose gold, if you can see that. So I was like, oh well, why don't I get this one in rose gold as well, so I can have like a full like matching situation. But then I was talking to my husband about it, and I was just kind of looking at it and going back to the footage that I took in New York, and I really loved the way the regular gold one looked, just like the regular yellow gold. So that is the one that I did end up picking up, and I got this, you guys, in a size 50. Most reviews and unboxings that I see people do, they've been getting like 52s, 51s. I haven't seen anybody get a size 50, but that's what I got because I have like really skinny fingers, and I got it specifically to go on my left index finger, and she fits like an actual glove, like a glove. Oh my gosh, I have been so obsessed with this piece. I know this piece is not revolutionary. I feel like everybody and their mom has the Juste un Clou ring, but I really like it. I got my Tiffany one because I really loved it as well, but I thought it was a little more unique, a little more cool. I just love the classicness of the Juste un Clou. I hope I'm saying that right. I really just love it. It's beautiful. A lot of people also were saying that if you get a size too small, then it's like really irritating and like presses into your finger. I'm not having that issue at all. I got my Tiffany ring in a 5.5, and it fits on both of my index fingers here, and the 50 in the Cartier is a 5 1/4. It's like a size 5 1/4. So if I would have got a 51, then it would have been a 5 3/4. So it would have been technically larger than my Tiffany one. So I ended up going just one size down in the Cartier because people were saying that like they were basing it off the love ring, that like if you get the love ring you need to go at least one size down in the Juste un Clou. I ended up getting the 50 because that's what fit pretty good when I was in New York. I made sure that my hands weren't super cold or not super hot when I was trying stuff on, just to get like the best accurate rating, and the 50 or 51 would have worked, but I'm someone that does not like my jewelry to move. And I mean, this right here, it's not going anywhere, but it's still pretty easy to get off, if you can see that. Like it's not, this one right here barely fits on this finger, and like as you can see, it is like getting caught on my knuckle. Because of course this is my right hand, so it's definitely going to be bigger than my left hand anyways. This one I believe is a perfect fit. Size 50 for me is great, and I think it'll be fine in the summer too. We are getting into winter here, but I think it's going to be fine in the summer as well. But oh my gosh, I am just so excited that I finally able to get this. Ordering from the website, I'll just kind of go over everything with you, like how like my experience ordering and everything. It was really easy. I mean, everything was in stock, nothing was back ordered. It was probably as easy as it could have gone. There weren't any issues. I ordered it on a Friday. I got it on Tuesday. It shipped out yesterday. It shipped Monday and arrived Tuesday. It shipped out from Texas. I guess that might be like the closest store compared to Tennessee. So I wish we would get one here in Tennessee. I do wish we would, but the next Cartier item that I have on my radar is going to be the Juste un Clou bracelet, and I already know the size for that one as well. So I won't be getting it for a little while, but hopefully I'll be able to add it to my collection here at some point soon, maybe next year or something. I can go over the pricing. The price before taxes was $1,240, I believe, and then with taxes it was like $1,300 and something. $1,360.90. This is very expensive jewelry. Like this is solid gold, it's 18 karat gold, but that's it. There's nothing else to it. There's no diamonds, there's no nothing else. It's just the gold and the name that you're paying for. I mean, it's beautiful here. I have heard people say that it can scratch because it is a bit softer than, you know, 24 karat gold. Of course I haven't had any issue with that just yet because I just got it. I can imagine that I will have some scratches on it with daily use. I don't plan to take this off unless I shower. I plan to keep this on all the time, 24/7. Unless I shower or swim, but swimming is not an option right now because it is 30 degrees. I did a review on my Tiffany & Co ring actually a couple of videos ago. I'll have it linked up here or in the description. I was saying that I actually think the Tiffany & Co ring is going to be a better value than the Juste un Clou, just because for the Tiffany & Co ring with the diamonds it is like $2,000, and then the Cartier ring without diamonds is $1,300. So I do think that if you were in the Cartier one with diamonds is like $4,000. So I do think that the technical value for money is going to be better in your Tiffany, but I do understand that a lot of people just want that classic nail shape, just a nail. That's what it's called. It's very classic, it's very simple, but it's also so elegant, and it's definitely a statement piece. So it really just depends. Oh, also it's in the small size as well. I forgot to mention that. I did get it in the small size, not the regular size. I tried on the regular size also, and it was way too big for my little finger. So I did the small size, which is the one I think is just nicer in general. I think it looks better personally, unless you have bigger hands. I think the normal one, like the regular one, would actually look really nice on a guy or someone that just has bigger hands. So yeah, I'm just so happy. I'm just so excited that I finally got it. I love it so much, and I will be wearing her every single day. I will do a review after I've had it for a few months. But you guys, that has been my video on my Cartier Juste un Clou. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments if you have any pieces from Cartier, if you are looking to add any Cartier pieces or any jewelry pieces in general. It doesn't even have to be a luxury brand. It can be literally any brand, jewelry, whatever. Leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm very nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!